Hello friend, welcome to the new video of EV World ENG. In today's video, we are going to talk about Renault Zoe electric car. Now the Renault Zoe electric car is an hatchback designed electric car which has already launched in some countries and also it is yet to be launched in many countries. So friend, in today's video we are going to give you all information about the Renault Zoe electric car which you must need to know before buying any electric car. So let's start the video. So first we start with its electric motor first. So friend, inside this electric car you get to see an 80 kilowatt electric motor which generates a power up to 108 horsepower with the torque of 205 Newton meter. The top speed of this electric car is 135 km per hour. This car now also comes with 100 kilowatt electric motor which is R35 variant. Inside this electric car you will get to see a lithium ion battery which gives you a range up to 250 to 300 km on a single charge. The battery supports two types of charging option. First is fast charging and the second one is regular home charging. If you use fast charger you will get 0 to 100% battery in just one and a half hours. If you used home and regular charger you can charge this car in 7 to 8 hours at your home. So this is the technical specification of Renault Zoe electric car. Now let's talk about the features of this electric car. Inside this electric car you will get to see a ZE Mobile interactive interface where you can control your electric car by your smartphone by using this application. On the car dashboard, you can see a 7-inch touchscreen display, 4 airbags, AC heater option, and you will also get the option of cooling and heating in the seats and steering. GPS navigation, ABS, EBD are also given in this electric car. Friend, if we talk about launching and availability, this car is already launched in some European countries and yet to be launched in some countries. So friend, what is the price of this electric car? So the price of this electric car is $28,000 and in price in euro currency this price is $25,000. This is a starting price of this electric car and this is a very cute electric car and you like this electric car. So what do you think about Renault Zoe electric car? Yes, it is yet to be launched in some countries. Let us wait for some times. If you live in Europe, you can buy this electric car anywhere. United Kingdom, there is also available this electric car. So what do you think about Renault Zoe EV? Let us know in the comment box. If you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.